Hi everybody, welcome back to day 7 of geography. Today and tomorrow and Thursday, and actually Friday, so the rest of the week, you are going to be drawing maps. Today we're going to start with a map of your room. So you should be in this first column. You've clicked play, you're listening to the instructions. After this, you will go over to the lesson, which is drawing a map of your room. You're going to click on the play buttons here and here to view examples of how to draw a room map. So there are 2 different videos, very short, giving you examples of how to draw a room map. So what to include, what to think about, and how to make sure that your map is able to be understood. So you want to make sure that the reader of the map, so in this case your teacher, can understand your map. So we're going to draw a map of your room. You are going to include the things that are in your room, and you're going to include a key or a legend. And those 2 videos give you examples of how to do that. So remember, the key or legend has examples of the symbols in your map. So if you look at this slide over here on Amber's map, her key has a lamp with a little yellow circle, so it can find those on her map. So she doesn't have to label them on her map, it's labeled in her key or legend. So that's what these 2 videos explain. Then you will go to the seesaw activity to complete today's assignment. And it says right here, don't start unless you watch the instruction video, which means you are following directions. Good job. So open up your class's assignment, and it will pull you into Seesaw. Oh, maybe not. Just a moment, please. Okay, let's try this again. You're in Seesaw. You are clicking on your teacher's button. You are opening the activity. There we go. So it will take you into Map Making Cartography Adventure Day 1. Now, what you're going to do is become a cartographer, which is a fancy word that means map maker. So you're going to make some different maps this week. So the first thing you will do, let me slide this over, is click Me on a Map. Listen to and watch a video of the book Me on a Map by Joan Sweeney be read aloud. So you're listening to that story, you're thinking about maps. What are maps used for? What are examples of maps? Secondly, you are going to make 3 maps this week. You can either use the template that comes with your Seesaw assignment, or you can draw on paper and take pictures to turn in. So you'll add response, and you're going to, again, either draw using the drawing tool on Seesaw or on paper pencil, draw a map of your room. You are going to label your map with a key and legend and make sure that the reader can understand what's in your room. So show the map to somebody in your family if somebody's there. Do they recognize your room? Is it clear? Can they understand what you have drawn? Take your time, make it neat, add colors, and make it your own map. Once you're done drawing your map, click the microphone to record yourself explaining your map, and then you can tap the check mark to add the map to your journal. Once you have finished that, you have completed Tuesday's assignment for content. Thank you.